It's your boy. I'm back with another vlog. I'm on it. Listen, I'm doing better than I did last year. If it's your first time here, my name is Trinez. Today I am actually styling a great client, Sydney Mitchell. She has an Atlanta premiere. She plays on BMF that comes on Stars. They're about to go into their third season, and this season, her and I are working together and collaborating. So I'm literally out, always with a bag. I'm literally out at the mall to pick up some sunglasses and to return a belt. And then I'm headed to hair and makeup where she is. She's already there. It's 2 o'clock. So she's already getting her makeup done and hair, and then I'll see her soon. So.
You lead me to paradise. Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those eyes. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Okay. Belt check, boots check, earrings check, hair check. Yep. And remember these your poses tonight too. Yep.
Yes! Hey! When it's so wacky, why you want to go and do that, love? Hey.
Why you close the door though? Why you go? Oh, that's it. She already left.
Yeah, she left. So where her mama go?
Okay. Huh? Come on, Scar.
So listen, if you saw my hair 2 hours ago, if you saw my sheet. Oh shit! I just, my dumb ass. Oh my god.
They say with the glove there.
Damn, they won't let me zoom in with that body. Oh my god.
This is it. I think the boots could come up even more.
Me too. Listen, even for you, baby.
The whole reason why I'm going to LA is for this special moment right here. Sydney has her BFF premiere in LA. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but we just had one in Atlanta. So I'm literally zipping this up first because I really do not want to leave this. So this literally has to go in the suitcase first. I think I'm literally just gonna give this thing this entire side, let the air out. And I have plenty. Yeah, once that air go out, we'll be good to go. This is my styling kit right here. It looks a mess right now, but that's my styling kit. But I'm literally just taking like certain things that I need, like makeup wipes. This here is an adjuster, or it allows you to put holes in anything that's leather. So like, if you want to make the strap on your heels tighter, you want to make the belt loop a little bit more tighter, you'll use one of these. So I'm taking that, some wrinkle releaser. This right here is just full of safety pins, top stitch tape, Sally Hansen fashion tape, boobs, lint roller, steamer, apron, boom. We have to say breast tape as well as static guard.
Black girl, if you a 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you a black girl, if you a black girl, if you a
JP, my neck, my back, so
Okay, I'm through security. I'm headed to Jersey Mike's to give me something to eat.
It's an opportunity to shop, learn and explore.
my neck, my back, my neck, my back, my neck, my back.
Okay, what's up, you guys? So I really wanted to get on here, and that this is truly a heart-to-heart moment again, because when I first started styling, y'all, nobody really wanted to give me an opportunity. Let me just start off by saying that. Nobody truly wanted to give me an opportunity. The fashion industry is very selective and it's very cutthroat. So when you do get your foot in the door, you still have to work hard to build relationships, because level of responsibility is absolutely unmeasurable. I said all that to say, I just left from pulling jewelry for my client for the premiere on tomorrow. And I must tell you guys, I used to go buy jewelry from Macy's. I used to buy jewelry from Zara. I used to buy jewelry. I never in my entire life have been able to go into a luxury jewelry store and select options and pull options for my clients. Never. Let alone to walk out with bracelets that's more than what's in my bank account. And I'm just being honest, like for right now, those items cost more than what's in my bank account. Now, by the end of the year or years from now, that won't be the case. It'll be more in my bank account. We could buy that stuff. Said all that to say to you guys, as I've said in the last Heart to Heart from New York Fashion Week, if you haven't watched it, go check it out. But as I said in that last vlog, you determine your destiny, and how hard you work and how hungry you are is only going to measure up to the effort that you put in. For me personally, no matter how many times people told me that I wasn't capable, there were doors that God forced open, and I walked through them with grace, respect, and integrity more than anything. No matter what people throw at you, you are equipped to conquer that. I really want y'all to understand that, because I'm not the only one who struggled. I'm not the only one who doubted themselves. I'm not the only one who's tried and failed. Can't tell y'all how many times I've tried this shit and failed, okay? And I think because I failed so many times, I never looked at them as failure anymore. They became opportunities. They became growth moments. They became my story. And the things that you go through now, that is your journey, that's your story, and that's why it's not different. I mean, that's why it doesn't compare to anybody else's, because it's destined for you and you only. Y'all know I told y'all I got a cold. I can barely talk because I'm talking out my nose and mouth and stuff. But I just really wanted to get on here and say that, because somebody that's watching this video, I'm talking to you. You got what it takes. And when it happens, I want you to share it with me. I want to have that moment with you, because as you can see, I'm sharing this with you right now because there's nobody else around me. And that's okay. But you deserve to have someone to listen to your success story. And if nobody else will, I don't know what my schedule look like, but I'll do my best to listen to it. I hope that helps somebody out there. If it didn't, I'm sorry. This is not the vlog for you. But if it did, stay rocking with me. Subscribe, like this video, because guess what? I want to help somebody else just like you. So, now that that's out, I'm actually heading out to go pick up shoes. I actually feel better, y'all, than when I got on here earlier, but that just really did something for me. So I'll see you guys on the next take.
Is that
It's like a place in Mexico.
oh.
It's like together. But I heard a lot of people never to Molino.
Right. They're good, what? Like,
They're good, like
oh,
nobody
with
got
that.
sick.
Oh. You should have what? So did I say George called me and said I kind of feel like I shot myself in the foot.
Doesn't matter where or when there's trouble. If you just call my name, impossible.
Late night when you need my love. Call me on the cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline blink, I can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline blink, I can only mean one thing.
Beep me if you wanna reach me.
You got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started waiting less and going out more. Lessons of shit played out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before.
Reach me if you wanna reach me.
Late night when you need, call me on the cell phone.
See it?
I better find your heart. I bet.
So I'm finally leaving LA really, really quickly, feel like, but all I can say is I'm leaving and I left no crumbs. I ain't leave no crumbs, you hear me? I came here and handle business, and now I'm about to get stuck right back to Atlanta to drive to Mississippi. So, let's see. I actually feel extremely amazing, but I lost my McQueen sunglasses, and I'm really pissed about it. So I hope I find them for real.
Better find find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Thank